Hey, this is a little mapache. Oh. Don't be scared. We're cleaning a house while people are playing golf. How cool. Well, this is the house that we are cleaning right now. And this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We already scraped all the surface. How cool is this? This is the new feature of the Samsung Note, something like that. The floor is it's like a tree. How cool is it? Now Monica is pre-spraying. Huh? Okay, we are done. Monica is putting away all our equipment. We just need to mop this front area. There is a huge difference. I'm really happy. I don't know if you remember, but now the floor looks so clean, really clean. I'm really happy. Before it was really black. Beneath the table was so black. So now it's really good. You can see, oh my God, yes, you can see the difference. Well, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching us. Bye.